Hello everyone, maayong buntag, maayong udto or maayong gabi sa tanan. Welcome to another Trading Tirada video. And this video is all about how to explore your master trader or strategy provider. And this time it will be a walkthrough para makita gid ninyo exactly how to navigate the platform when exploring master trader or strategy providers. And by the way, this is Dev from Trading Tirada, and flash lang na to kadali ato ang disclaimer para well guided ang tanan. So let's start. So karon atong gamiton isang platform ni XM. This is one of the brokers that we are using. So if you are using XM as your broker, then this video is for you. So let's say you already have an active account with XM. So, ang inyo makita sa screen is the login area. So, obviously, ang pinakauna na to himuon is to log in. So, first, enter your email address na gi-register and password. So, once naka-login na ka, ang pinakauna nimo makita is ang homepage sa platform. In which makita nimo imong accounts overview. After that, let's click on copy trading, which will route you to the copy trading page. So diri makita na to tanan available master trader or strategy providers. So daghan kayog options, no, as you can see. And you can also change the view from grid view to list view, but in my case mas prefer nako ang naka grid view, so balik lang ta sa grid view. And that's because isa ka block makita na nako tanan necessary details na gusto nako makita. For example, the percentage return, drawdown, win ratio, as well as the commission. Also makita po nimo ang number of investors, invested amount, as well as the own funds invested by the master trader. Kung sama sa kong gisulti, daghan kaayo og options sa master trader or strategy provider sa platform. So para mas mapadali atong pagpili, pwede na to ni gamito ni mga categories nga nasa taas. For example, featured traders, like kani sila mo ni yung featured traders sa platform. So gina-highlight ang performance ani nila. Another category is ang best performers. So these are the ones na naay more than $1,000 capital na ginagamit for trading, and they have less than 50% drawdown based sa ilang 1 month performance. By the way, aside sa categories na nasa taas, pwede po na to i-filter ang master trader based sa mga assets na ilang gina-trade. For example, forex, indices, crypto, and commodities. For example, let's choose forex as a filter. So, mauni ang results under best performers category, which are using or trading forex as majority na asset na ilang gina-trade. So, as an example, kani si forex per trader, 100% forex lang iyang gina-trade, no? And based sa iyang active trades or open trades, he or she is trading Euro USD. So same logic lang, no, for indices, crypto, and commodities. So aside sa type of asset, pwede po na to i-filter siya based sa type of strategy provider. So as an example, instead of human, we can select algorithmic. So meaning ani algo ang naga-trade sa account, or in simple terms, robot ang naga-trade sa account. So aside sa best performer na category, napatay lain categories na pwede pilian, which is ang next is ang Crypto Kings. So obviously maoning mga strategy provider or master traders na hardcore sa crypto. So one of them is kani si Titanium Pro Trader. So as you can see, 100% crypto iyang gina trade, which is Bitcoin to be exact. As you can see, yeah, dako siya og profit. Next category na pwede i-check is ang high win ratio category. So meaning mas daghan daw ni silang mga daog compared sa ilang mga pildi na trades. So to check, just click the trader. Then makita na to diri sa dashboard na out of 2,163 trades, 1,977 iyang daog na trades. So that's 91%, you know, sa iyang total trades. And to be honest, that's really good. As you can see, no, positive tanan ang iyang monthly returns. But again, you have to also check other factors. For example, iyang commission is 50%, which is really big. And then if we go back, makita na to diri na yung drawdown is more than 70%. So when we say drawdown, mo na ang potential loss na pwede na ma-incur sa imong account. Now, next category is high own funds. But personally, I think this category is a bit irrelevant. But I guess ang point dere is if si master trader or si strategy provider is using a huge capital, meaning they're not afraid na malugi or masunog ilang account because they're confident na good ilang strategy. So next category is the low risk category. So categorize sila as low risk category because ang ilang maximum drawdown is less than 50%. So bagay ni siya sa mga conservative type, no, na mga investor. Next category na pwede na to pagpilian is ang low drawdown category. This is a bit similar sa previous category, which is ang low risk category. And their main difference is the rate of the drawdown. So if ang low risk category has a drawdown of not more than 50%, low drawdown category is based on drawdown not more than 15%. So mao ni mga sample sa mga master traders na akong gusto, no, kay they have low drawdown, so meaning low risk sila, but as you see, positive ilang monthly returns. So 6%, 40%, o 69%. That's really good for me. Next category is the low fees category. So morning mga master traders or strategy providers na gagmay lang og commission. So it can be 10%, 5%, na napoy uban 0, but some of them could be a private, so lock siya, di siya pwede i-copy. This is a very useful category para ma-filter out tong mga master traders or strategy providers na dagko kayo og commissions. The next two categories are not directly an indicator of performance, but pwede gapon na to siya himo og basis why we should check this master traders. So these categories are the most popular and the most invested master traders or strategy providers. So again, possible na daghan kayo og nag-copy sa ilaha, but their performance isn't really that good. Therefore, when you're using this category, it is advisable to further check their performance. So next tab is ang watch list. Diri nimo pwede mag-gather ang mga master traders or strategy providers na gusto nimo. So let's say na kinakita na master trader na gusto nimo i-copy but wala pa kay funds, or maybe gusto pa nimo i-observe iyang performance for let's say 2 more months, then pwede ra nimo i-save di ari. To do that, add to lang sa profile ni master trader and hit the star. And then makita na nimo siya sa imong watch list. So easier na lang siya pangitaon the next time na gusto nimo siya i-review. Another feature sa platform is ang search filter. Ang nakagwapo ani is you can play around with the parameters. For example, trading frequency. So gusto ba ka og master trader or strategy provider na daghan kayog trades? So just select high and then hit on save. So based on an example, naa siya 2,163 trades total for the last 4 months. And of course, just select the opposite, which is low, kung gusto po nimo seldom lang siya mag-trade. So aside sa trading frequency, makita po nato diri na pwede po nato ma-set ang risk score. So ma-adjust na to ang filter from 0 to 10. So meaning ani is ang 1 is low risk, then kung number 10 po siya is high risk. So aside sa risk score, pwede po nato ma-filter ang fees or ang commission. So ang commission ni master trader, it can range from 0 to 50%. So let's say 20% imong gipili, then ang results niya are master traders na ay commission na not more than 20%. So we can also filter ang minimum capital na gina-require ni master trader. So they may require as much as $1,000, or ang uban is $50 ilang minimum. So as an example, nagapangita lang ka og master traders na minimum capital is let's say 100, then you can choose 100, then click on save. So kani siya mo na ni ang mga master traders na not more than $100 ilang minimum capital. And to check, you just click on the master trader profile, scroll down and you'll see. So the very last filter na ato ang magamit is ang strategy type. So this time mapili nato no kung unsa na klase sa master trader ang ato ang pilion, whether it's human, algo or supervised algo. So sa human, obviously ang meaning is these are the master traders that are actually trading their own account. While ang algo, mo ni siya ang mga robots na ginagamit sa mga strategy provider or master trader para mo trade sa ilahang account. So sa case sa supervised algo, these are the strategies na nagagamit og robot while it's being supervised by the strategy provider or master traders. So this time let's try algo. Hit save. So these are the results. So kani mga algo ni sila na mga trading strategies. We can check this one. So as you see, algorithm ang iyang tagging, 10% lang iyang commission. and it has really good performance, 200% for the month of March, and 50 lang iyahang minimum capital. And so that's how you check or explore your Master Trader using XM platform. Please check po ang among other video where we do the same walkthrough using another broker's platform. And that's all for now. Thank you kayo sa pag-uban sa kuha karon. And once again, this is Deb from Trading Tirada. Cheers!